Welcome to Qualvision. In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to configure EMAP on VMS. Stay with us. What is EMAP? EMAP visually displays the positions and distribution of installed devices. You can access real-time views of monitoring channels on the map and receive notification messages on the electronic map when alarms are triggered. Click on Common Application and select the EMAP module once opened, Qualvision VMS. Choose the desired organization tree on the left side, click on Edit Mode, Add Map on the right window. Enter the map name, description, and select a photo from a specific path. Click OK, and then Save to complete the map setup. In edit mode, use the window at the bottom right or mouse scroll to zoom in or out. Select the correct position for monitoring points and drag them from the left organization tree to the desired positions on the map. Click the Save button and switch to Preview mode to preview the map. Repeat the process to configure maps for multiple organizations. The electronic map also supports alarm linkage, where cameras will flash on the map to quickly address alarm events. Thank you for watching. Secure our life through Qualvision.